Hi everyone, set it all your cars. This is our one owner 2011 61 registered Audi A3. It's a 2 litre Tfsi Quattro model. It's a 6-speed S-Tronic automatic. It's done 30,000 miles. It's got 9 services. It's presented in scuba blue. Very nice, clean car. Scuba blue is a wicked colour. It rides on the double spoke alloys, which have all been recently refurbished in titanium grey. We've just put discs and pads all around on 4 Riedestein tyres. Comes with a new MOT, service and warranty. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that colour. There you go, Quattro. Not to be confused with the front wheel drive models. This is essentially a baby S3. There's your reg to do any checks that you need to carry out. It's got rear parking sensors, got your twin tip exhausts. It's just lovely. Inside it's got the black leather and sprint cloth mix. We'll show you that in a second. We'll start by showing you the boot. All nice and clean. Toolkit, etc. Lock and wheel key all present. There is space for a spare wheel if you wish. You take that centre bit out. And it allows a space saver. Got your parcel shelf with the rear sun blind, and that's the boot. Unmarked rear seats, still has new car smell to it. Rear electric windows, ISOFIX of course. Seats are absolutely mint, just as you would expect for 30,000 miles. Got the armrest as well, and a 3-spoke steering wheel with the paddle shifts. This one's got cruise control as well, auto lights and wipers. Got your dual climate control and your Audi concert stereo with your auxiliary input in the centre there. Start the car up, we'll show you the mileage, show you there's no warnings, nothing nasty to report. So there you go, your mileage is 30,438. No warnings, all your lights illuminate and go out as they should. Probably will get a fuel light come on in a second. There you go. Aircon's icy cold. Interior is absolutely immaculate. Exterior is very good. Got your handbooks in the glove box there. Probably won't find a better one than this. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. Get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.